Have you ever wondered why we have so many languages in the world today? A look into the biblical narrative of the Tower of Babel found in Genesis 11:1-9 might just offer an intriguing explanation. The tale unfolds in the aftermath of the deluge, a time when mankind shared a single language and a collective ambition to construct a city crowned with a tower that pierces the heavens. This ambition, however, was not welcomed by everyone. In their pursuit of greatness, the people of Babel ignored a fundamental truth. United in one language, they set about constructing an edifice that would reach the heavens, a monument to their shared ambition and technological prowess. The tower, made of bricks and mortar, symbolized more than just a marvel of engineering. It was a testament to human endeavor, a product of their collective will to dominate and control. Yet their unity and power were not born of humility or reverence, but of pride and arrogance. They sought to make a name for themselves, to defy the natural order and challenge the divine. The tower, in its towering grandeur, stood not as a beacon of cooperation, but as a monument to their hubris. But the divine was not pleased. God, observing their arrogance, intervened. He confounded their language, turning their shared tongue into a babble of incomprehensible speech. Cooperation turned to chaos, understanding gave way to confusion, and their grand project was left unfinished. Suddenly, the united people of Babel found themselves divided and confused. Their monument to unity and power crumbled, much like their shared ambition under the weight of their own hubris. In the confusion, something remarkable happened. As the language of the workers constructing the Babylonian tower was muddled, the world witnessed the birth of linguistic diversity. The once unified language, a symbol of human pride and ambition, was shattered into a multitude of tongues. This divine intervention, a response to humanity's hubris, led to an unprecedented dispersal of people across the earth. The story of Babel is not merely a cautionary tale of human arrogance, it's a pivotal narrative that explains the origins of linguistic diversity, a phenomenon that shapes our world today. Each language, each dialect we encounter today is a testament to this momentous event. The Tower of Babel serves as a bridge between the past and the present, connecting us to our ancestors who witnessed the dawn of different languages. It's a reminder that our words, our languages, are not just tools for communication, but sacred threads woven into the very fabric of human history. And so, from one language, many were born, spreading across the face of the earth. So, what can we learn from the Tower of Babel? This tale from the annals of Genesis imparts profound lessons. The Tower of Babel, an ambitious project born of human pride, was halted by divine intervention. This story warns us about the perils of hubris, reminding us that unchecked ambition can lead to downfall. Yet it also celebrates diversity, for it was here that different languages were born, sparking the magnificent tapestry of cultures we see today. It's a significant narrative in both biblical and cultural contexts, illustrating the balance between human aspiration and divine order. In the end, the Tower of Babel serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and the beauty of our differences.